Let us introduce a powerful CNC nesting solution for modern woodworking. The HT-R1SM combines a high-speed router spindle, an automatic tool changer, and a dual saw spindle to handle complex cutting with precision and ease. With a 9-kilowatt main spindle and 12-tool automatic changer, you can switch between drilling, cutting, and shaping in one smooth operation. No need to stop, no need to adjust. Everything is optimized for continuous production. The dual saw spindle allows for angular cuts from 0 to 90 degrees, giving you flexibility for different panel designs. Strong motors ensure clean cuts every time. This machine supports panels up to 1250 by 2800 millimeters with fast Z-axis movement and high-speed processing. It also features a vacuum table for stable holding and automatic loading and unloading to save labor. The smart control system is easy to use, accurate, and reliable. It helps reduce errors, improve quality, and shorten production time. Perfect for furniture components, cabinets, wall panels, and more. If you want higher output with less manual work, this machine will be a game changer for your factory. Contact us now to learn more and see how it can transform your production line. Thanks for watching and have a good day for you.